Secret village.
Nice. Ooh, nice tayo.
There should be a temple here somewhere.
How to say it in English?
Temple over there.
In English. Oh, you say it in Chinese. Ajinomoto.
Japanese mo din.
Mulat as dito, no? First time na to di rin. Oh, there's a temple there. There.
Temple over there.
We're gonna dip. Temple there, temple.
Temple ba yan?
Temple yan, basta way ganyan. Kamatang yung mata ko maanghang ba eh. Nilagyan ko yata ng ano, ang sakit. Anghang. Uy, maganda dito, Jack. Don't jump ha, don't jump. Ipus mo na kasi, ipus.
No. I can, yeah, kind of see it.
What's that?
Turn the music off, he said.
Kind of see it, but okay. Yeah, it got very shallow, huh? Kind of see it here, but
Oh, really? There's three. So people can cross from here to there.
I'll go over there. Oh, it's fish.
Fish. Maybe in this side, Swena, because there's my eyes is where my eyes. Go this side.
No. See, there's rock there.
Ah, I can see rocks. Bantay. It's so shallow. I can see the rocks down up there.
Yeah, just stay away from the middle.
Nakuha man dai ka? Kala ko hindi mo na muna pang taas na sa kamay. Oh,
Guys, kayo?
ang alin? Rubbish. Oh, it's a good trip in here. My eyes.
Sunscreen.
I think I put sunscreen in my eyes and it's been teared.